Hi, I'm John Brush with the City of McAllen, and we're here at beautiful Cathy Middle School today in some nice light rain, and we're getting ready to plant pollinator patch kits for beauty and for butterflies and other pollinators here in the Rio Grande Valley. So included in your free pollinator patch kit, courtesy of Quinta Mazatlan, are 4 different species of plants that are really good at attracting local pollinators. So the first species that we have here is our largest. This one's called baby bonnets, and it is a relative of blue bonnets. So the flowers are going to look very similar in terms of structure, but these are a beautiful pink color. Our next plant is hairy Wedelia. This is a much shorter shrub. This only gets to be 2 to 3 feet tall. It's in the sunflower family, so it has a really nice yellow flower. Also very, very attractive to small butterflies and extremely drought tolerant. Able to survive here in the hot, dry Rio Grande Valley. We have another plant in the sunflower family. This one's a perennial wildflower called prairie coneflower. So it makes a really nice taproot underground, and that's what helps it be so resilient against drought and against heat. Our last plant is another one of my favorites. You'll quickly realize I have lots of favorite plants, but this is called whitebrush. And this is a really, really great plant for attracting small native bee species. So the first step to planting your pollinator patch kit is to choose a location that gets 6+ hours of sun each day. All these plants will grow best in sunny spots. The second step is selecting the plant arrangement that best fits your location. We have 3 different examples of planting arrangements that are options for you to consider. So the next step is to actually plant your plants. This, in my opinion, is the funnest step. And the first thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna dig a hole about as deep and about as wide as the pot. You wanna make sure that the plant root crown is equal with your garden bed. And the most important thing is that you make sure that the plants have a nice firm base. The roots are not being damaged too much. So your last step is you want to make sure that you give these plants what we call establishment water. This is just to help them recover from any transplant shock and get them started on their growth journey. So now you have your pollinator patch kit. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me or Quinta Mazatlan. We'd also love to see photos of your newly planted garden. Thank you for joining us as we planted our pollinator patch kit, and I wish you success on your new garden.